14 countries from the Pacific region are part of a 4-day climate and ocean support program in the Pacific workshop in Nadi. An area of focus in the workshop would be on sea level, its daily and long-term effects relating to climate variability and sea level rise.
We've got a lot of countries here that are from coral atoll countries. These are quite low-lying nations, and there's quite a high risk to various coastal hazards, coastal erosion, inundation from the ocean. There's safety concerns, and there's also the environmental health risks to the coral reef atolls at the moment. Coral bleaching is quite a big topic in the Pacific, especially following the large El Nino. So it's very important that this ocean information gets out to the correct stakeholders.
Since its inception 4 years ago, COSPEC has been a major component of the Australian government's work with Pacific Island countries on adaptation and mitigation of the impacts of climate change.
Given the vulnerability of Pacific nations to long onset changes in rainfall distribution, ocean warming, sea level rise, and El Nino southern oscillation events, such as the strong El Nino we experienced last year, it is clear just how important the work that COSPEC does is. The project implemented by the Australian Bureau of Meteorology has also been a successful example of partnership across numerous organisations. It's actually one of the best examples that we have in the Pacific.
Countries like Kiribati and the Marshall Islands experience a lot more issues with exposure to the North Pacific.
Kiribati can also experience quite a bit of inundation. Kiribati also experienced quite a lot of coral bleaching from the recent El Nino effects. There was a lot of warm ocean in the middle of the Pacific affecting the Line Islands of Kiribati.
There are a lot of things happening in Kiribati, which is one of the impact of the climate change. And I hope this workshop, especially on the ocean and tides, we are expecting to, get a lot of information, and we can share the ocean knowledge and the ocean science to the people of Kiribati.
The workshop over the next 3 days will also look at issues regarding marine resources such as coral reefs and fisheries in the Pacific. Chesetui Sinu, Fiji One News.